iyendlalela isinqumo sayo inkosi yenkantolo ithi akukho nokuncane okungalimaza uZuma uma ngabe ibambezeleka inhlelo zokushushisa uMengameli uRamaphosa ngasese.
Is there any material harm? It was argued that the harm of appearing in a criminal court on the 19th of January was not material. This contention misses the point. The harm lies not in the temporary inconvenience of physically attending a hearing, if only for a formal postponement.
Umehluleli uSutherland ubesehlala odabeni wakhipha isinqumo.
The costs occasioned by this urgent application shall be reserved for decision at the hearing of Part B of this case. 4. The parties' representatives are directed to immediately approach the office of the Deputy Judge President, Johannesburg, to arrange a case management meeting to set an agreed date for the hearing of Part B.
Okhulumeli Jacob Gedle ihlekisa Zuma Foundation umzwanele manye uthi badumele ngalesinqumo esikhishwe inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli kanti liphawulileke nehhovisi likaMengameli.
The foundation is vindicated in that we had already treated with suspicion the fact that the judiciary made its own call to have a full bench instead of one judge. So now we see the results of that suspicion that we've actually been vindicated.
The judgment confirms the position of the President that the private prosecution is motivated by the ulterior purpose based on spurious and unfounded charges, constitutes an abuse of private prosecution provisions, and demonstrates flagrant disregard for the law.
Ungoti wezomthetho umpumelelo Zikalala uthi lokhu akusho ukuthi uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa seyiphelile inkinga zakhe zaseyinkantolo.
Isinqumo sanamhlanje akuzehlisa inkinga zika Mnumzane Ramaphosa into esishoyo nje kuphela sithi cha siyayidelaya udaba sazophinde selikhuluma futhi ngelinye ilanga indaba esidila nayo namhlanje inkantolo icacisile nje sidile nokuphuthuma kwalolu daba ngokubona kwethu udaba sithi liyaphuthuma ngohlobo lwesimanga bekufanele ukuthi lilalelwe ngoba sifuna ukuvikela amalungelo akho president sibona ke ngathi ukwazile ukusiprovela ukuthi amalungelo akho azolimala yiko sigranta le interdict esikunikeza yona.
NginguCalvin wakwaDludla eindabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.